Today, we will talk about how to start a restoration business. Let's have a look at the details. Restoring antiques can be a fun and lucrative way to make money. The initial investment is usually quite low, and you can begin making money very quickly. Usually, you'll get to make your own hours and set your own prices, ensuring a rewarding experience. The first step is finding the right market. Research your competition. Restoration can be a competitive market. If there are too many similar businesses in the vicinity, you could have trouble establishing and keeping clients. Partner with local antique shops. You may want to only focus on restoration and not bother with actually selling the antiques. This can be a great option for people who want to keep overhead low. Create an online presence. Having a website for your business is important. It allows you to reach more potential clients regardless of where you're located. Sell your wares in your own space. If you plan to sell antiques that you find and restore, you may have enough interest in your business to open up a storefront. Build relationships. In a competitive market like restoration, networking and reputation are both essential to your success. When you are just getting started, consider doing some very inexpensive restoration jobs to establish this reputation. The second step is starting a business. Research permits and licenses. Depending on where you live, you may need a license or a permit to start a business. Register your business. You'll need a business name that you are doing business as. Register a domain name for your business if you plan to have a website. Make a business plan. If you want your business to be successful and make money, you need a sound financial plan. The third step is finding antiques to restore. Locate local sources for antiques. Even if you don't plan on selling antiques as your primary source of income, it can be a great way to get started. The key is locating antiques at low prices so that you can sell them for a large profit. Purchase antiques. Once you've found a source for antiques, make a few purchases. Purchase things for as little money as possible. This will increase your profit margin and lower any investment risk in case a piece doesn't sell. Research similar items. Once you've found something to restore, do some research about it. Get the word out about your business. Go to flea markets and estate sales and let people know that you restore antiques. And the fourth step is restoring the antiques. Determine the type of restoration needed. Hopefully, you already have some of the skills needed to do an antique restoration. Weigh the value of the restoration. Consider how much effort you think a piece is worth, and what you want to build your reputation on. Do the work that you can. You may not have all of the skills necessary to restore one of the items you bought, but do what you can. Hire experts when necessary. If you've purchased an old piece of ironwork or a glass chandelier, you'll likely need to hire someone to do much of the restoration. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.